Third part of our morning practice, we start with our psoas muscle, or it's usually referred to as our quad, this inguinal crease down where our legs meet our pelvis. So you might like to just gently tap, start just under the hip bone and work your way down. Take your sit bones down. Focus on the balls of your feet. Weight is on the heels. And just like you're sitting on a stool, you might like to just smallest little rotations of your sit bones, of your perineum, tiniest circle. Notice if there's tightness or tension. You might like to widen these circles. Change direction. You might even bring your upper body into it. Let's go down to our knees now. Just drop your tailbone down, tapping the back of the knees, back of the thighs. Straightening the legs. You might like to cup your knees. Keep the back straight. Let's take both hands inside, pulling in, pushing out. And then both hands outside, pulling in, pushing out. And then both knees, feet together, small circles. And slowly coming up. Let's roll our shoulders. App, you might like to join me. Or a belly. Let's notice that feeling when you let go of tension. And shaking out. We're going to cross our thumbs, let our upper body be heavy. Take your feet a little wider, lifting up, big breath in. Keep the back straight. Big breath in. Bellows stoking the fire. Last one. Slowly coming up. Just notice how your body feels. Turn your palms up, shoulders heavy.